Hi there, I hope you're well and that you're ready to learn today. And today we are learning about the perimeter of a square. So here, a shop sells square diaries and two of the sizes are shown here. If you can see, we have one diary that's 3 centimetres down one side and another diary that's 4 centimetres down one side. So there's a rule for working out the perimeter of a square. Do you know what that rule is? Have a think about it. Yes, that's right. We know squares have equal sides. So if we know that this side is 3 centimetres, this side must be 3 centimetres, this side must also be 3 centimetres, and this side 3 centimetres. Because a square has how many equal sides? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. 4 equal sides. Okay, so if we look at our second square diary, we can see that this side here is 4 centimetres. And squares have what? That's right, 4 equal sides. So we can put 4 centimetres here, 4 centimetres here, and 4 centimetres here. Because we know squares have equal sides, so all the measurements will be the same. Okay, well done. So if you look here, what we're going to do next is we have a table. And look, we have some missing numbers. So we have to find the missing numbers. So first, let's look here. Here we have the side length. So in our first box, we have 3 centimetres, then we have 4 centimetres, and then we have 5. But as you can see, in our last 2 boxes, they're empty. So we have to find those numbers. But before we do that, let's just look here. Because we've got the perimeter here, and we have missing numbers in these first 3 boxes, but we have numbers in the last 2. So I think if we have a look at this first and work out the perimeter, then we can work out the last 2 side lengths. Okay, so in this box we have 3 centimetres, and look, if we look here, this is also 3 centimetres. And what is the rule of working out the perimeter of a square? Yes, you got it. That's right. We need to times this number by 4 because there are 4 sides. So shall we do this together? Let's do our 3 times 4. So 1 times 3 is 3. Good. 2 times 3 is, what is it? 6, that's right. 3 times 3 is 9, well done. And 4 times 3 is, well done, 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so now we need to work out this perimeter for this square. Okay, and look, if we look above again, we already have our diary that is 4 centimetres. So again, what times table can we use? That's right, we are going to use our 4 times table. So are you ready? Let's do it together again. So 1 times 4 is 4, well done. 2 times 4 is 8, that's right, well done. 3 times 4 is 12, good. And 4 times 4 is 16, well done. we put 16 here, because for a parameter of a diary that is square centimetres will be 16. Okay, so if we look at our next number, it is 5 centimetres. So what are we going to do here? Have a think about it. That's right, we're going to do 4 times 5. Okay, so let's do our times table together. So 1 times 5 is 5, well done. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. And 4 times 5 is what? 20. That's right, you've got it. Okay, right, so now look, we have all our numbers filled in for our parameter. Okay, so now if we go back up, we need to look at the side length. So can we see a pattern here? Okay, so if you look here, you have 12, and we know we're doing our 4 times table, so 12 to 16 we have to count 4, and then 16 to 20 we have to count 4. Shall we just check that? Let's check it. Okay, so 12 in our head, have 4 fingers at the ready, and then so 12's in our head, we're going to count on 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so did we add on 4 more? Yes, we did. So we know we are doing our 4 times table there. So again, we're going to put 16 in our head and see when we count 4 more if we get to 20. So 16 in our head, and then we're going to count on 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, that's right. So we add another 4 on and it makes 20. So we are definitely doing our 4 times table. As we can see, 20 add 4 will be 24, and 24 add another 4 will make 28. So that's right. So I wonder if we can fill in the side length using this pattern, because if we can see, this first number is 3 centimetres, this is 4 centimetres, and this is 5 centimetres. So let's see what you might think this is. Have a guess. Ooh, you think it might be 6? Okay, how can we work it out? What could we do? That's right, we could do 4 6s. So again, using our 4 times table, let's have a look. So we're going to put 6 in our head, and then, because that's 1 times 6, and then we're going to do 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is, that's right, 12. 3 times 6 is, good, 18. And 4 times 6 is what? 24. Well done. So this is 6. So because 4 6s are 24. So if we know that and it's going up in ones, what might you think this is? Did you get it right? 7? But let's just make sure. Let's do our 7 times table and check it. So we'll put 7 here for now, and then let's check it. So we're going to do 4 times 7. So 1 times 7 is 7, that's right. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7 is what? That's right, 21. And 4 times 7 is 28. Well done. So yes, that works out perfectly. So what is the pattern? What can we see that's going on here? What times tables are we using? That's right, we are using our 4 times tables to work out the parameter of a square. So anytime you want to work out a square, we times the number of the side, so like this is 3, by 4. So if we had a square that had a side of 5 centimetres, again, we'd times that by 4. Thank you for working with me today. Have a good day. Bye now.